Okay, grade 6. Now we are going to learn about step-by-step writing process. So as we have learned, the first step was introduction. So now we are going to in details that how we can use these steps in our writing composition. So it has two parts, A and B. The part A is given in red color. I'm going to read it out. So please focus on the color, that why I have used this color. I'm going to tell it to you, so please be attentive everyone. State in 2 or 3 sentences some general facts about heroes. So in part A, you have to tell that general facts about heroes. So in the blue box, you can see the red color I have used to give the answer for the same part. Many people think that heroes are only those who have such superpowers as flying laser beam eyes or throwing of fire, as we have read it in our beginning of the text as well. So now in part B, your own views about what a hero is. So the answer of this green part same given in the blue box with the same color, means I have used green color for the answer of this part. However, if we look around ourselves in our daily life, we can many people who can become our heroes because of their extraordinary qualities. Got it? So that why we have used this color codings. So please focus on it as well in further video as well. Then at the end of introduction paragraph, state in one sentence who is your ideal hero and why exactly this person is your hero. So you have to tell in one sentence your ideal hero is. So I have given in the blue box with the same color, my hero is my father, and the question why exactly this person, the answer is in the same color with the green color you can see in the blue box, and I admire him for the way he deals with the people. So the answer of this part is over here, that why the person is my hero. The body of composition, it has further subpoints. You can see describe the background of this person. In A part you have to tell the background. Here you can see the my father was born in a village. In this we tell that from where he belongs and now what he is. So at the end you can see he is the head of our family of 6, my parents and 4 of us siblings. Got it? The background of my ideal hero. In part B, you have to tell the appearance and character of this person. Appearance. Remember to use your senses and feelings here. The more you will put your own feelings into writing, the better idea reader will get about this person. So keep in your mind when you are going to write about appearance and character, please use your senses and feelings as well. Have a look how to use. Describe the appearance. So appearance is in the red color. So in our essay or in our composition, I have used these words which I highlighted with the red color to describe the appearance. Tall giant, feeling of security and peace, huge and soft and felt very secure, loud street, busy shopping mall, kind and warm smile. So this is the appearance in our compositions which I have put. Got it? Now the character of this person. In this B point we have learned about 2 things. Appearance we have done. Now this time for character. So character is written in the red color. So the answer is available in the blue box which is highlighted the main figures of his character. In red color you can see he sincerely cares for people. He is a part of his character. He makes the efforts to connect with people. So it's also a part of his character which I like the most. Then body of compositions part C. Describe the qualities and the specific events. Qualities you like the most and the specific events which you have witnessed these qualities. Remember that the more specific events you will mention, the better the reader will understand the qualities of this person which make him or her your ideal hero. So means that you have to mention the qualities and specific events related to that qualities. You have to interrelate. How you can do it? Have a look on it. Qualities I have given in my composition that he is a polite and peaceful person. Even when he is angry, he is a strong self-control which helps him to cool the fire of anger and talk to us in peaceful manner. So these are the qualities which makes him my hero. Got it? The meaning of the qualities? Now, specific events with examples. Which are the examples which I have quoted with these qualities? Let's have a look on the blue box. I have highlighted with the same color specific events. The answer of this, how we can write it in our compositions. Even if when my siblings sometimes get into trouble, he does not scold us harshly but instead takes the time to sit us all down and talk through the situations with logic so we can understand our mistakes. So this is the event which I have interrelated with his good quality which I have mentioned in previous slide. And another example of specific events of the example 2. When my brothers and sisters get into fight, as we have read in the beginning of the text, that when we fight, so how he tackle us and how he tells about the Islamic point of view, how to control and why we should control our anger. Okay, you can see in the red color, same in the blue box, the specific events which I have highlighted with the same color. So means that we will write about specific events with the qualities which we have mentioned. So we have to write, or we have to use this type of pattern. Now the conclusion. In part A, recall briefly what you have said about your hero. What we have said, at the end you have to write it. I admire him for the efforts he makes to connect. I have given this part in the text in the beginning as well. You can read it as again after this video. To connect with people and for the fact that he can manage his anger and remain peaceful even in the most difficult situations. Then the specific way with example. Now you have to give the specific way with example in which you can try to become like your hero. Means how you idealize him, what can you do. And after that, what happened that when I get angry at my siblings or friends, so it is not easy to remain calm, but I'll try to improve myself. In this part I've with the reference of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the Prophet that how we can control ourselves.